How to make a video on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can make a video on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to make or maybe record a video on Snapchat, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is open up the Snapchat app. As in when you open it, by default you'll be on the Snap page. Now if you want to record a video, first of all choose whether you want front camera or back camera by simply tapping on this rotating icon. So currently it's in the front camera. You can also change it to the rear camera here. Now you can simply choose between the filters that you might want over here. So depending upon which filter you want to use, you can simply select that filter. Once you select a filter, to make or record a video or snap, just press and hold this little button over here. So as long as you hold it, the video is going to get recorded, and then you release it, that video is going to get stopped, and after that you can tap on the send option to send it to your friends. This way you can make a video on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.